In this video, I'll show you how to check sensor data directly on the home page with live updates instantly. Your home's conditions right in front of you. Check temperature, humidity, gas levels, and motion across rooms directly from the home page. Know if a room is too hot before you enter, spot unusual humidity changes, or get alerted to gas risks instantly. No separate screens, no extra apps, just quick awareness of everything happening inside your home. Now, I'll show you how to set it up. Open the Home Automation app. If sensors are already added to your rooms, their live data appears directly on the home page. No additional setup required. Your home speaks through data, and you see it instantly. Thank you.